let's add some color to this. So I'm going to take some tangerine, this great tangerine color, and I'm going to just on these petals, just to give you an idea of what a difference it makes. And I'm just going to scrub some color in. And then we'll activate it. We'll just do one of these. And you know what else I want to do? Because I like things to look like, I don't want my eye to stop, so I don't like things to be just one color. I'm going to come back in here and add some yellow, and I want it to brighten the areas that are going to come closer to you. So this is closer to you, so you're going to add a little bit of yellow here. And this top part is catching the light. So even though it may not be closer to you, it is going to be catching more of the light. And these would be catching more of the light on the edges there. Okay, so we're going to take the diluted medium and activate this so that we can see the intensity that happens. That's the great thing about Inktense. I guess that's why they call them Inktense, but they really do pop. Oh, I got this a little bit too wet. Some of you may decide that you want to just not ever use water with it, but I do like it to be a little bit more liquidy. Ooh, I like that. Look how that water made it kind of puddle. That's cool. Okay, and coming in here, we're going to add it down this purple area here to pop it. I'm going to add more tangerine because I want it to be very vibrant. And I've got orange on my brush still, so it's mixing with that yellow, but I kind of like that happening like that. Okay. Let me hold this up so that you can see, well, you can see it pretty good. That's better, isn't it? Coming in, filling those areas.